Corridor canines got the chance to show off their agility today. The Iowa City Dog Obedience Club held agility trials at Kirkwood's Equestrian Center. The dogs are tested on how they perform on a race full of obstacles. They jump, climb, and dodge. Judges look at how fast they complete the course and how well they do it.
Your dog has to learn to work with you, come when they're called, pay attention, and obviously they get a lot of exercise doing it and have fun.
Dogs of all sizes and breeds participated in today's event. If you'd like to enter your dog in an agility competition, we put a link to the Iowa City Dog Obedience Club's website on ours.